Wednesday turns so slow. Thursday's all anybody can take, but then comes a thing called Friday. All the way through the field, up to the gate, a convoy of headlights making their way down to the river where the cottonwoods grow. Bonfire dancing in the Chevy Chrome. The doors are open on the lifted trucks. Music up, George Strait is cranking across 80 acres. Country boys working on those country girls, rocking till there's nothing left to do in this town but wake up the neighbors. Wake up the neighbors. Farmer Grady standing in his PJs on his front porch with an old 12 gauge, looking down south at a glow in the trees. Mad as hell, he can't get no sleep. Eight pairs of blue jeans lying on the ground. Down by the water you can hear the sound, laughing, splashing past midnight. Everything's showing in the full moonlight.